Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sonny Winters here, Just Said Duo TV. Welcome back. If it's your first time joining us, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Thank you for tapping in. Today we got the review of the Polaroid digital action camera. Action, right? So we're gonna test this out. We're gonna see what it got to offer, right? All right, so here we are. We at the beach after the unboxing of the Polaroid impulse buy at Walmart. We want to see exactly how it does, how it sounds. I'm gonna get my cell phone here recording this. And we just want to get the sounds of it. We'll see how wet it could get. How action is it really? Hit the like, subscribe, share if you can, if you feel in your heart to. Here we are, Just Said Duo. Check us out. Alright, well, this isn't like the most rugged test. I'm not gonna like dump it in the ocean. I'm definitely gonna sit here. I'm gonna get some footage. I'm gonna see how this footage comes out. I'm gonna see how it sounds. I'm gonna see how wet it can get. I doubt if I could submerge it. I mean, it does show that, you know, these things, I guess when you say action cam, you think, you know, I think full-fledged action. You know, handlebars, mud, beach, the whole nine. So I'm not gonna just like fling it in the water, but you know, let it get splashed on a little bit. See how wet it can get. Let's go, let's try it out. It's currently on, it's currently recording. I'm gonna put it up here. I need to get rinsed off. Maybe it needs to get rinsed off. Let's go. I was just trying to get it a little wet. I don't think you could do a dive with it. I might just go submerge it right now, but so far so good. I mean, the sand is still recording actually. See if I can put some of this footage. This really isn't like a footage thing because you know you don't really get these for footage. You kind of get these for backups. You know, like I said before, this is an impulse buy more or less. So I don't know. I put the footage up. I know somebody's gonna say, oh, you gotta put the footage up if it's a review. But I'm a gadget guy, you know? I know it's really not gonna sum up to what the gadget guys like for gadgets, but like I said, it's an impulse buy. Maybe your kids, somebody, you know, gets a little dirty out there. Might be perfect for them. I'm gonna see if I go get it underwater and see what it does. Let's go. I don't want to currently wet the phone and trying to do this underwater thing, but I'm about to get it right now. Let's go. Let's see what type of footage we get. Red light, still red lighting. I don't quite know what the footage is talking about yet, but it's still going, y'all. This actually might be a better buy than we think. I guess we're gonna need the footage to really see, you know? But I mean, like I keep saying, it's an action cam. What really do we want from it? Right size. It looks like the kind of mirrors the Vivitar, the old model Vivitar. So Vivitar wasn't terrible. I mean, what the hell do you want to hear underwater, people? That's how I look at it. So I'm gonna conclude this one. All right, we're back from the water, testing out the Polaroid. All that red light talk I was talking before. Right now, the red light is not coming on. That's a negative. So the red light is not coming on anymore. I'm gonna retrieve the footage. That was an easy test. I'm gonna take it off of this though to see where water entered at or what. I mean, it said action cam, so we gave it a little bit of action. Well, it looks a little damp around these compartments here. But I mean, the way it's sealed, it shouldn't have any water going in. Honestly, to me, around the buttons is what they need to make a little more secure. Cause that's still wet. Let me see though, this might come back on. Might put it in rice and see what's going on. Wipe it off. Dry it down some. Yeah, I'm not sure, y'all. This might be kaputs for this one. Hope I got my footage though. Alright, well, there you have it. The Polaroid. From the box to the field test. Full review. If I retrieve this footage, I'll make a video. Tap in, hit the subscribe button. You'll get access to that video. You'll be able to see that video when I drop it. But until then, hold up, let me just see if this is good. But until then, stay tuned. We here. Just Said Duo TV. Sunny Winters. We out of here.